welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. And if you know what October is, it's October, but I just put my name in it and we call it October. All right, today we're gonna be blinging up Ursula, the Loungefly Ursula bag that I got on Amazon. If you want to do some villain bags or any other Loungefly bag, I put any Loungefly bag that I do in a video or even ones I don't buy in my Amazon store so that you guys can get creative and bling up your own Loungefly bags as well. So in this video, we're gonna be using two different bling colors, and you might get confused on what I'm doing with the double-sided sticky and how I cut it. I have a video on how to create the design to go along with the villain's bags. However, if you're a member to AuntieTay.com, I create all of these SVGs and they're perfect for the Loungefly bags. So if you're interested in doing this bag or any of the other bags that you see, I have them on AuntieTay.com. We're gonna go over to the website right now and I'm gonna show you where to find this exact file. And then we're gonna use our double-sided sticky, which is also in my Amazon store. You guys can find that in the link below as well. So let's get going. Find the templates for the villain bags. We have to go to AuntieTay.com and we are going to go right over here to Disney. And when we hover over it, it should open up all of the Disney categories. You can also click on it and it will take you to all of these categories, like a landing page with all these categories as well. But this is probably the fastest, easiest way. So we're just going to go down to villains right here and find the templates under here. So these are the Loungefly bling pattern for this season. So to get the Ursula bag, we will just click right here and download that. And then we will go to our downloads and we will need to unzip it. So it will come in a zipped file like this. To unzip it, you can double click it or you can right click open, and it will look like this. This is her little mole, so it'll cut right here, but you'll move it later down to her chin. But you'll notice in the tutorial I don't do that because I had a little fold right here. So just make sure your product is flat when you're cutting it and you'll be good. So you'd upload this to Design Space or Silhouette Studio. If you need to know how to do that, I have a video on both of those that you can check out. All right, let's get going on the rest of the tutorial. All right, so I'm just gonna start by measuring out the parts that I want to bling. I wanted to bling out her hair when I was measuring this, but I decided just to do her eyelids and her lips and her mole. Because I have this little lip wrinkle in my design, or not my design, my product, I lost the mole when I was doing it. So I did not bling her mole, but I could go back and do that if I wanted to. So you just want to pull off one side of your double-sided sticky and put it on the part of the bag that you want to bling. You can cut things out by hand and bling any part of the bag that you want to, but again, the SVG is available from our website that we showed you getting off of the website. And then you just peel back the other part, the clear part or the white part, depending on what part you peeled off first, and just bling it as you would anything else. I'm using mixed in Life is Debubbles, and I like the mixed size because it gives you a really textury look and you can fill in little spaces and get in all those little nooks and cranny. So I'm also using the bling tool in Rainbow. If you don't have a bling tool, we have them available on shopAuntieTay.com. And then I'm going to sprinkle glitter into it to get all those little cracks full of sparkly. Use a dry brush to get them off, and then use some slime to pick up the excess glitter, which is one of my favorite glitter hacks. Then I'm gonna go in and do her lips as well. I had a little issue with her lips just because I accidentally stuck it to the bag and then it got messed up, but I just covered it up with bling and it worked out perfectly. Again, if you don't know how to use this SVG or make this SVG, I have a video on how to do that called Making SVGs Out of Real Life Things. Then I'm just going to use Poison Apple for her lips, sprinkle that on, brush it away, and do the slime trick, and then our bag is fully blinged and ready to go. It's way too easy
to say